Is clutter taking over your space? Are you looking for a reliable and efficient trash dumpster rental in Sacramento County, California? Look no further than Placer Dumpster Rental and Junk Removal LLC. Whether you're renovating your home, clearing out an office, or managing a construction site, we've got the perfect solution for you. With a wide range of dumpster sizes, we can accommodate any project and budget. Our hassle-free trash dumpster rental service ensures that you get the right dumpster for your needs, delivered right when you need it. Choose from our sturdy and spacious containers, perfect for disposing of all types of waste materials. At Placer Dumpster Rental and Junk Removal LLC, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Our dedicated team is committed to providing you with timely, efficient, and friendly service. We are also committed to the environment. Our eco-friendly waste disposal practices ensure that your trash is handled in a responsible manner. With Placer Dumpster Rental, you're choosing a partner who understands your needs and is dedicated to helping you maintain a clean and efficient workspace or home. For all your trash dumpster rental needs in Sacramento County, California, turn to Placer Dumpster Rental and Junk Removal LLC. Your clean space is just a call or click away. Visit us at www.placerdumpster.com or call us at 916-878-0304. We're here to help you tackle any cleanup, big or small.